welcome to HR Mentor. My name is Bola Jolagujo. I'm your host, HR Mentor. What are the top 2 challenges you faced, in your role as a senior HR professional?
The first challenge is for people to really consider your views very valid. So there's an operational issue or there's a manufacturing issue, and you want them to respect your perspective. It's an issue that I think all of us in HR has to deal with. For the first challenge of being respected is for me to learn to speak the language of business. So if I want to say we should do something, for example, and I want it to present from the HR angle, I'm going to use your lingo. So you will not be able to fault what I'm saying. Because I'll be using this exact word you're using. So I think also using data is also something that's very helpful. So if you're saying, oh, we're losing people, and people say, no, we're not losing people, it's okay. This is what the data shows.
What are the top 2 values you believe HR professionals should have to their organization?
1, balance. HR professionals should be balanced. Your role is to advocate for employee, but you also know you have a business to run. I think the other part of it is for you to remember you are dealing with human lives. So when you pay salary to someone, it's called salary, but it's livelihood. When you change a policy that allows somebody to go for maternity leave from 3 months to 2 months for secure legislation, there's a child involved in that decision. When you decide to say people should work late every night, every day, there is somebody's health at stake.
For your colleagues, your senior HR professional colleagues, what top 3 advice do you have for them? I
think we should be flexible, very important. Number 2, my suggestion would be, I think we should learn new things. Maybe the last one I want to say is that I think after some time, HR guys should leave HR and come back. Go to marketing, just go somewhere else, get a breath fresh of air, get a different perspective.
Okay, I'm new in HR, or I'm aspiring to be an HR professional. What are your advice? What are your tips?
Number 1, be a learner. Second one I would say for a young HR person is to look for professional certification. Number 3, I would suggest start in a generalist role.
Let's say you have the opportunity to sit across Dave Ulrich or any of the HR thought leaders out there in the world that you followed, that you respect, what they're contributing to the profession. What 2 questions would you like to ask them?
What's your plan to produce the next 20 Dave Ulrich? You can't keep writing and not we're reading it. Again, also to say maybe the need for some of the concepts they promote for them to start to have an African perception of it.
African concept.